like about Subway is that you can customize the filling. There's so many fillings to choose from, like cheese, spicy cheese, bacon, and many more to choose from. They have some more fillings like fruits and veggies. They have some chips like Doritos and Lay's. And they also have different kinds of juice to choose from. The veggies they have are corn, salad, pickles, olives, tomatoes, onions, and bell peppers. They also have different kinds of sauce. They also have salt and pepper. They also have cookies. Yum! They have chocolate chunk. There. Yum yum. They have white chip macadamia nut. They have double chocolate. They have rainbow cookie, chocolate orange cookie. They also have choco cookie, and last but not least, raspberry cheesecake. I can't wait to try the food! It's time to pay! Now it's time to eat! I can't wait to try the food! Here we have Lay's, then we have pear juice, then we have subs. Did you know that Subway is the world's largest fast food chain with nearly 44,000 restaurants in 110 countries? It has more locations than McDonald's. Subway employs more than 410,000 people. Subway offers a better variety of healthy meal options than many other fast food restaurants. In general, Subway's meals are low in sugar and a decent source of fiber and protein. However, they are also loaded with fat and sodium. Part of Subway's appeal is that you can customize your meal. Fun fact, did you know that Subway sells almost 8 million sandwiches a day? Isn't that amazing? Fun fact, did you know the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom are home to the most Subway restaurants in the world? Did you know the creator of Subway is Fred DeLuca and Peter Buck? Did you know that the Subway's name used to be called Pete's Super Submarines? It started in 1965 and ended on 1968. Do you know why Subway gets so popular? It may be because Subway is one of the least expensive restaurants to franchise, according to Business Insider. Or maybe it's just that crazy aroma of baking bread. The slogan of Subway sandwiches is "Eat Fresh." This means the way every sandwich is made from freshly baked breads using fresh ingredients. That's that this video. I hope you had fun with us. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And it's me again, Raizen, saying always be kind and let's spread that kindness. Bye-bye!